Are you tired of spending long hours trying to put together the perfect PowerPoint presentation? Whether you're a student gearing up for a seminar or an office employee prepping for a presentation, we got you covered. Introducing Tome.ai, your ultimate solution for effortless PowerPoint generation. With Tome, creating a stunning presentation is as easy as ABC. Sounds exciting, right? Let me show you an hands-on demo where we will create stunning presentation in seconds. Before we jump into that, if you enjoy our content, please subscribe to our channel GPTverse, where we explore the fascinating world of generative AI and its applications. Let's begin the demo. First, head over to Tome.app and either create a new account or log in if you already have an account. Since I already have an account, I'm just signing in here. Once on the home page, locate the Create button at the top right corner. Clicking on it will take you to the creation page. Here, you will find various options. Choose Create Presentation About, and let's say you want to generate the presentation about semiconductors. Just type semiconductors here. Click on Generate Outline. The tool will swiftly generate the slide topics for your presentation. You can add as many slides as needed just by clicking the plus sign here. Let's add another slide focusing on the disadvantages of semiconductors. If any generated topic doesn't suit your needs, simply delete the slide by clicking on minus sign. Now proceed to choose layouts. Tome generates different designs for each slide. You have the flexibility to select and apply your preferred design for each slide. Click on Next page. As you can see, Tome again generates different design for next slides as well. Click on Next page again and continue choosing designs for subsequent slides. Now hit Generate all the pages. As you can see, Tome is creating an entire presentation now. There you have it. With just the topic semiconductors, Tome has crafted a collection of professional and ready to present slides. For further enhancements, including editing the slides, adding media, drawings, tables, or charts, simply utilize the provided options in the right side toolbar. Your polished presentation is now ready to shine. If you know of any other AI-powered tools that can excel in generating presentation, feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video today. If you like it, please hit that subscribe button.